For marketeers, we understand the importance of tracking every single chat that's coming from an ad and tracking the performance of your ads and campaigns using RCRM. First things first, if you want to see the number of chats that you're receiving from ads specifically, you go to your report section, click on Conversation Analytics, Source, and then you click on Click to Chat Ad. The report is going to display the number of chats that you've received from your meta ads, whether it's Facebook or Instagram. And then you'll be able to assess how many chats you're generally receiving throughout the week, month, year. Now, if you want to go a step further and track the specific ads that we've launched, we can add custom flows that track the keywords under our ads. Whenever you're creating your Facebook or Instagram ad, you will be prompted to add a pre-filled message. When your client clicks on your ad, they'll be redirected to WhatsApp, and the chat will have the pre-filled message. Through Sanoflow, you can track this specific pre-filled message and create an inquiry. This adds it to the inquiries module so you can have better tracking and visibility over which clients came from ads and the status. First, let's see how we can create this custom flow. I'll go to the flows module, then to add a new flow and call it ad tracking. I'll set the flow type as conversation opened and choose the relevant channel. In my case, I'm choosing WhatsApp, and then click on add. Here in my conversation opened trigger, I'll click on the condition operator. In our case, it's and my condition is going to be a keyword. I'll click on add condition and set the category of keyword contains. Then I put the relevant keyword that I've pre-filled in my meta ad. For example, I'm running an ad for Botox. Whenever the system sees a chat with the word Botox in the first message, this chatbot is going to get triggered. The next step is creating an inquiry that we're going to add to our CRM. So I'm going to drag and drop this action, which is create inquiry. I'm going to click on it, configure it, and add it to my optimized clinic workflow. The title here is going to be Instagram ad. Then I choose if I want to assign it to any team. The stage is going to be new. Source is going to be Instagram ad in case I want to get more detailed information. And then I click on add. Now, the next step would be to take this chat and give it to my team that's actually responding to these chats. In this case, we're going to click on assign to, configure it by giving it to a team or user if I want to give it to a specific team, or simply I can just unassign it, which means it goes to our general inbox, and whoever is responsible for the inbox will be able to see the chat and work on it. Now, I need to connect these actions together. So first, please make sure that you always save your chatbot as a draft so that you don't lose your progress. And then here, I'm going to start connecting these actions together. Because I've resolved all of the issues here, I'm able to publish my chatbot. I'm not going to publish this one. We're going to go to a different one to see how many times a chatbot has been triggered, who triggered it, and the phone number. So let's take this main healthcare chat flow. I click on it and then I go to logs. The database shows every single person who has interacted with my chatbot with all of their details, the date, the status, and which date they completed the interaction with the bot.